Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty money rose. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is fold my Bowdabra bow wire in half, lay it down into the Bowdabra. I'm just going to set it aside. Then what I've done here is I've just taken the scissors, I don't even open them, and just curling the ends of my dollar bills. And we're curling them downwards. So then I'm just going to take my dollar bill and scrunch this down into the Bowdabra. And I've already curved these, so I'm just doing like a little mountain up and scrunching it in. And you could do this in the mini, but I like doing it in the larger one because the larger Bowdabra is a little bit looser than the mini is. So that way you don't end up ripping your dollars. And you can do this with ones, 20s, hundreds, depending on how generous you feel like being. But it does make a really cool gift. And just sort of shape it while it's still in the Bowdabra. Now this one, I'm actually going to curl up. So we'll curl it up, bring this here. So it's just kind of like you do curling ribbon. And curl this one up and this one up because this is going to be the flower. And we'll just kind of push this a little bit more. And there we go. And now I'm just going to lay this one in on top. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and we're going to just pull this through our slip knot, pull it tight, kind of push everything down, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, bring it out, kind of push it together a little bit more. I'm going to separate the ends and bring it around to the back. And I'm going to just kind of, I'm not going to tie a knot because I don't want it to be difficult for somebody to open. So one of the cool things with the Bowdabra bow wire is you can just twist it. And then what I'm going to do is actually take this center and bring this down. So what's cool about this is they're actually lights. And I'm just going to come around to the back and just use my Bowdabra bow wire and tie this off. And again, I'm just going to tie a bow so it makes it very easy for the recipient to be able to untie their gift. So now we have this down in here and we're just going to shape it out a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is just take my stem and I'm going to take my vase here, list this into the vase, and you have a really pretty flower. So super simple to make. So please comment below and let me know what you think of our money flower.